Hey guys, this is Franklin. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about extractions. Okay, let's get started. When you type extract, you can see a lot of options here. Let's see the most useful one from this extract functions. Basically, the extract functions will helps to extract something from an object. For example, let's create a surface, rectangle, planar surface. Now I'm gonna rebuild this. Okay, and turn on the control points and I make a little bit change here. So okay, now let's give a thickness offset surface. This is too much. Then I give 1. Okay, maybe let's change it to 3. Enter. Now let's turn on the solid control points, solid tools, solid control points. Now you can see the points here. If you want to extract these points, just type extract point. Here you can see extract point. By using that command, you can extract points from any objects or any surfaces, any lines. So this can be a useful one. Same as this, we can extract anything. Like if you want to extract a surface from this object, let's select this extract surface, and then we need to select the surface which we want to extract and then press enter. Now we have extracted the surface from the solid. Okay, the most useful commands from the extract functions is these: extract clipping section, extract clipping slices, and this extract iso curve, and of course extract surface and extract point, and this extract wireframe. These 6 extract commands are the most useful ones. Let's see about that. Here we have extract iso curve. By using this command, we can extract a curve from any object. Let's select this, and actually not curves, iso curves. Iso curves means the curves that lie on the surface, not the edge. Let's select the surface. You can see here, this is iso curve. Just click wherever you want and press enter. By doing that, we can extract the iso curve from the surface. Let's move this back. Join this again. Okay, now my favorite extract command is this extract wireframe. If you go to the wireframe view, you can see the wireframe of the object. By using extract wireframe, we can extract this wireframe from the object. Let's go back to the shaded view and type extract wireframe. Select the object, press enter. Now you can see the wireframe has been extracted. Now you can do whatever you want. For example, let's type multi-pipe, press enter. Here we have created some stuff just by using the wireframe. It's cool, right? Okay, let's move on to the next one. And for the extract clipping section and extract clipping slices, let me show with a proper example. Let's import an actual 3D floor plan. For that, I'm gonna delete this. Here I have imported a file from my previous project. This is a very basic 3D floor plan without any door, window or anything. Let's make a clipping plane first. For using this extract clipping section and clipping slices, you need to have a clipping plane first. Just type clipping plane and click the vertical. Okay, now we have this clipping plane here. Let's move this toward this way. If you wanted to extract this cutting part, which is like a section, just type the extract clipping sections. Just select this and select the clipping plane, press enter. Now you can see we get the cutting part as a curves. But if you choose this clipping slice, where it is, extract clipping slices, and then select the clipping plane, enter, then you will get a surface. By using extract clipping sections, you will get as a curves. By using slices, you will get the section as a surface. In your project, if you are started from the 3D model, then you can easily create a plan by using this. Like if you wanted to create a plan, just make a proper cut here. Now you can see this, then type extract clipping sections and select the clipping plane, enter. Like you will have this curves, extracted curves. If you want to have a surface, you can use just clipping slices. If you have any questions about Rhino, please leave it on the comment section, or else you can ask me through Instagram. I'll clarify your doubts. Okay, thanks for watching guys. I'll see you on the next video.